How to download and play Grid Autosport on your Android or iOS device. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download and play Grid Autosport on Android or iOS. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open Google Play Store for the Android, and for the iOS you will have to open the App Store. Okay, right now I am opening the Play Store. Alright, so after open the Google Play Store or App Store, you'll have to just tap on the search icon, and in the search field you'll have to search for Grid Autosport. Alright, so after you find the Grid Autosport on the Play Store, you have to just tap on it, and now from here you can easily tap on this install options to download or install Grid Autosport on your device. So from here you can easily download and play the game Grid Autosport on your Android or iOS phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.